Air 1.
Go ahead, Air 1.
Give us a 44 number for 1501 Corporate Place. This is where the street races are now, and we're going to get down low and try to scatter them out.
We got this group dispersed, but in the meantime, they shot mortars up at us and hit us with a laser. We're trying to locate who was just lasing us.
Temple, Joey, are you close out there or not? Head out that direction, and I'm gonna get McDougal to head out there.
In Air 1, I got the car right now still shooting lasers out the back window. It's a white, small sedan, and we're going to try to keep eyes on it. Air 1, they're still lasering us, and we still got them in sight. Firestone coming up on OHB. Right there.